Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, January 29th, 2021. Well, it is cold and windy out there, that is for sure. Temperatures this morning range from the single digits to lower teens over the interior, mid-teens in the New York City metropolitan area and Long Island, upper teens to mid-20s in the Philadelphia metro, but it feels like the single digits, even below zero in some locations, because of these strong northwesterly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts. We do have a wind advisory out for the New York City metro. Wouldn't be surprised if it shows up for the Philadelphia metro as well, but for now it's just the New York City metro with gusts potentially pushing up as high as 50 miles per hour. So far we're ranging anywhere from about 25 to 35 miles per hour in wind gusts. Anyway, you slice it though, it's going to be cold. I mean, cold, cold, cold. So look, if you go outside, layer up, wear gloves, wear scarves, wear everything, okay? Wear all your clothes because you can get frostbite very easily in these conditions. So definitely use some caution there. Now, of course, everyone has one question. Are we having a winter storm? Well, right now, high pressure is building and setting up plenty of Arctic air. So yeah, it's going to be plenty cold enough for snow. Here's our storm coming into the west coast. The track of this storm will be very, very important, as well as the transition to the coast once the storm reaches the coastal plain. We'll talk about that in a moment. On the radar, we got a few snow showers here, but otherwise not much is really going on. Watch out for a flurry or two, but that is about it. Now, here's our infrared satellite picture, and there is our storm coming into California. This storm's going to track across the country, visiting everybody, dropping by Kansas City, get some barbecue, drop by the Ohio River Valley, maybe pick up a little bit of whiskey in Tennessee. And then it's going to say, I can't go any further north, so I'm going to redevelop off of the mid-Atlantic coast. While it's doing that, it's going to start to draw in moisture from the Atlantic. Now, here is the key to this whole storm, okay? The faster it redevelops, the more expansive the precipitation shield, the further west you can expect snowfall. If it takes longer to redevelop, that means as the storm is pushing over the coastal waters, the snow shield isn't able to expand, and so you get a very tight cutoff in your potential heavy snowfall. And that is essentially the difference in the timing of the development of the secondary storm, the new storm that redevelops. That's why we're seeing such a wide spread in the model guidance. So how do you prepare for this situation? Well, let's walk through the forecast, shall we? So for today, Arctic cold, be prepared, watch out for the frostbite and the hypothermia. Temperatures in the mid-teens over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast for highs, and that wind chill is going to be in the single digits. The winds subside tonight into tomorrow morning, but still it is cold out with lows in the single digits to mid-teens. And then for tomorrow afternoon, look for clear skies to sky cloud cover with highs in the lower to mid-20s. Now here we have on Sunday, our storm starts to redevelop, okay? Our storm starts to organize, should I say, over the upper Midwest. It's going to be dry for most of the day on Sunday, but look for increasing cloud cover and these snow showers starting to develop. Temperature on Sunday will range from the single digits to mid-teens for lows and mid-20s to lower 30s for highs. Sunday night into Monday, this precipitation starts to lift north. Now, this low pressure system starts to weaken. Remember, that low pressure system here tracks to Ohio and starts to collapse. A new low starts to form. How fast this low forms tells us a whole bunch of factors, from where the rain snow line will set up, how much snowfall will fall to the north and west of that rain snow line, and how intense it will be. This storm will feature a very, very tight cutoff between just some snow showers and intense heavy snowfall. And then there will be another cutoff between where you're going to get that rain snow mix and sleet and steady snowfall. So this is a very tight gradient here. What we can expect with this storm is strong winds, so definitely be prepared for coastal flooding. Temperatures will be cold enough for snow for the entire region, at least initially. We'll see whether or not warm air gets mixed in. The closer this low pressure system is to the coastline, the more likely you get that mix set up along the immediate Jersey Shore and up through Long Island. If it's a little bit further east, then you'll less likely see that mix, but you'll see a stronger cutoff in the snowfall over the interior. So there's a lot of stuff we still have to work out here. Temperatures will range from the upper teens to mid-20s for lows. So there you go with that potential for snowfall for everyone at first. And mid-20s to lower 30s for highs. Mid to upper 30s over southern New Jersey if this low pressure system is closer to the coast. On Tuesday, our storm is still hanging around. It's slowly tracking away. And while it's doing so, we'll continue to have precipitation, possibly heavy snow along the coast. Again, further east, it all gets focused over the coastal waters. Further west, it remains over the region. So again, track is very important. Temperatures will range from the upper teens to mid-20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid-30s. Wednesday, a few lingering snow showers, windy conditions, lows in the upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid-30s. On Thursday, we start to warm up as high pressure exits. Look for increasing cloud cover with lows in the mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid-20s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. And on Friday, look for increasing cloud cover. A warm front will approach with a potential few showers in the evening. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid-20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, and high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior and mid to upper 40s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. We'll have more details on this upcoming winter storm over the next 24 hours. We'll have impact maps and everything out by tomorrow morning once we get a better idea on the evolution of our winter storm. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.